To insert a SIM card into Motorola smartphone, usually we have to take a look at the bottom side of the phone in order to find the SIM tray. So you are looking for something like this. And like I'm saying, most of the time you can find this at the bottom of the phone. Sometimes you can find it on the left side and rarely at the top, I believe. So once you find the SIM tray, you can also find the SIM tray hole, which is usually right next to the SIM tray. And you also want to be careful to not mistake it with the microphone. You don't really want to make that mistake. So once you find the SIM tray hole, we can use the SIM eject tool that you can find inside the box of your phone. You can also use some similar tools, but generally speaking, you do want to use a SIM eject tool or SIM tray eject tool. So insert it into this hole that you can find right next to the SIM tray or on the SIM tray, and then you want to push the eject tool into this phone in order to make the SIM tray slightly pop out, just like that. And then we're gonna remove it with our fingers or fingernails. Now, once you remove the SIM tray, you can check how the card is supposed to be inserted. So make sure to match the shape and just slide it in. Put it into the slot. There we go. And most of the time you want to make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly. It doesn't stick out of the SIM tray or anything like that. Once you have the card inserted into the SIM tray, we need to put the SIM tray back into the phone. So just slide it in. There we go. Sometimes you want to make sure that you're inserting it the right way. So look for face up text or something like that. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.